Kath Molloy and welcome to Mad for Mondays. I'm here in Sydney with Shane and he's going to introduce himself in just a moment and let us know what he does on a Monday to make a difference.
Hello Kath, thank you very much. I'm Shane Rosario, I'm a photographer. I specialise in portrait photography and I began this journey following one of my passions, which is music photography, and that's led me to meet all kinds of people in my life. And one of those people, which is one of my favourite portraits I've ever taken, is the Dalai Lama, and I did that portrait back in 1999 and it still remains one of my favourite portraits. It's been turned into this little book, Love and Compassion, which is brilliantly titled because that's how I see the Dalai Lama myself.
Beautiful, and I think you've taken photos of some of my favourite bands. Who else have you filmed?
Oh look, you know, when I was in London I was exploring all these different artists that were in London because it was such a city that artists came to play at, and I met, you know, Eric Bibb, for example, Iggy Pop, Henry Rollins, Jamiroquai. So there was lots of people coming in and leaving London. So it was 2 years of my life where I was just exploring different people, meeting different people, you know, not just travellers but people who actually do music for a living.
So you make a difference in life by taking photos of people that bring out who they are.
Yeah, in fact, recently I started to reconnect with the passion of photography, and I realised it's actually the creative nature within yourself. And so how do you tap into that creative nature? And so we have a little project called We Are Observers, where we take people and we teach them how to get in tune with their creative nature.
Wow.
And that is the foundations of every photographer.
Wow.
So before we are photographers, we are observers.
So
that's where that came from.
Making a difference by letting people get creative and understand that they're an observer.
Absolutely, yeah. Everyone's got it in them. We just got to reconnect to our inner child, basically.
So if you'd like to connect with your inner child, how can they find out more about this?
We're on social media, we're on the website. If you go to weareobservers.com, you'll see everything that we do. If you are in Sydney and you want to come along to a free event, you can come along to our photo walks or our photo talks as well.
Wow, that is so cool. Thank you so much.
No worries.
Thank you for sharing
Thank
your
you.
talent with the world.